Hi guys, this is Akanksha and she's my teammate Shalini. Here we are to present the project that we have done as a part of enterprise programming in second year second sem. The title of the project is Fly High. The main motto of this project is every class of people can book their flight tickets as per the cost they can afford. From here onwards, my teammate continue this project.
Hello everyone, I'm Shravani. Now I'm going to explain about our project, and our project is FlyA online flight booking system. This is the main homepage of our project. Mainly our project contains two modules, admin module and user module. Now I'm going to explain about admin module. And this is the admin login page. Now I'm entering the details. When I click on login, it redirects to the admin homepage, and this is the admin homepage. Let's take a look on each and every module. This is the view users page. Here we can see the registered users who are registered for our website earlier. We can delete the users also by using delete option. Next we will go for add flights. Here we can add the flights. When I click on add, the details are added into the database. Next we will go for view or delete flights. This is the flights which are added earlier into our database. Next we will go for update flights. By using this we can update the flights based on their ID. And this is the booking details option. By using this we can see the users or booked their flights from our website. Next we will go for add offers, and this is the add offers page. I'm adding an offers. Flight ID is 2042. Discount is 5%. The offers are added. And this is the send mail option. By using this, we respond to the user queries who are submit their queries earlier using contact us form, which is available in user module. I'm replying to the Shravani. When I click on send, the mail is sent to the user. Mail is sent it. I will check the mail. Yeah, I got mail from FlyAI. By using logout, I'm logout from this site. Next, my friend Akanksha will continue the user module.
Moving on to user page, we are signing in as user by using credentials. By clicking on sign in, we are redirected to the home page of user. Firstly, going to the flights page. Here we can search for the flight we want. Here we can see the available flights and available offers. I'm going to book a flight by entering the details. Here we get a booking confirmation page. Our tickets are successfully booked. Moving on to the next page. Next page is offers page. Here we can see the flights which are having offers that are added in admin module in add up a space. Now I am going to book a ticket from Vijayawada to Delhi, which contains of 3% offer. After applying a discount of 3%, the cost is minimized to 9894 rupees, and our tickets are successfully booked. Moving on to the next page, Tripadias. Tripadias consists the best Tripadias and the video blogs of the many trips. Here we can find the dual trip ideas where we can afford low prices for the both, including the both trips. Moving on to next page. Next page is contact us. Here the user can submit their queries where they can get a reply from admin. Coming to the last page, it is about us. Here it's our team, myself Pranavakanksha and my teammate Shavani. We have done this project under the guidance of our faculty Surya Kiran sir. Thanking you.